Hi, my name is Bob Habersat. I'm a high school music teacher from Oak Lawn, Illinois. This is my studio, and it is kind of a scary time to be a music teacher right now. With coronavirus, everyone is going to remote learning, and it's going to be a challenge to have meaningful music teaching happening with our students. And our school has been one-to-one for a while. We've done a lot of remote learning, and through my work with shedthemusic.com, I think that I can help you guys a little bit. Starting on this coming Monday, I am going to release a lesson every day. That lesson can be accessed on my YouTube channel. I'll post my YouTube channel, and it's going to be just basic musicianship that can be done pretty much 6th through 12th grade, and all you really need is a phone to complete these challenges. They're going to be like these tiny little daily challenges that aren't instrument specific. But if you have like a music appreciation class, or if you have just like a general music class that you don't have instruments for, or maybe the students' instruments are at school because they need to be disinfected or something, you can subscribe and have students follow through these really quick videos. But first, I wanted to show an awesome idea from the other co-founder of the Shed, Paul Levy. His idea is how to use Soundtrap to record multi-track chamber music. So like I'm going to be using this with my classical guitar ensemble class. Let me show you how this works. So this is Soundtrap. Soundtrap is an awesome online multi-track DAW, and I am on the Mac here, but it works on everything. So I have it on my iPad here. It works on phone. It works on Android. It works on iOS. It's truly awesome for collaborating. So his idea is, you set up different tracks. So I'm just adding a track. I'm adding a vocal track here, and I'm going to name this track. I'm going to name it, I don't know, soprano. And then I'm going to add another track, and I'm going to name that alto. We'll just make it 2 voices for right now. But let's say you are doing like an arrangement of a string quartet for trumpets, and the students have their trumpets at home. Each student can record one line of the string quartet. And the great thing about Soundtrap is it's kind of like Google Drive. They can collaborate on the project together, and they can actually still create music together. So let me show you how that works. So I added my 2 tracks here, and your students will need to make a Soundtrap account. And then you can go to this little button over here, and you go to invite somebody. So I'm going to invite myself. This is a second one I made, the second account here. So you can, invite a few people. All right, so now on my iPad, I'm logged in, and I'm looking at my messages, and I just got a message. Hey, would you like to join my project? Of course, I'd like to join your project. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring me to shortly. This is out of focus. I'm going to focus it. Focus. It's going to bring me to the project, and now I can see everything that was going on. I think this works best if students plug in headphones, because then they can hear a metronome and they can hear the other students recording. But let's say I wanted to record something here. I am not using headphones. Okay, monitor is turned off. And I'm just going to sing something in. Do, 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 do. Beautiful. You press stop. Student makes sure they have to press save. When they press save here, oh, you heard that ding. I got a notification here. And now if I press sync on mine, I can press play and... Oh, it's beautiful. So you can have, more than one student collaborate on one project, and then they can create multi-track recordings, listen to each other. They can also do video chatting and messaging here. So like I could poke. I just poked my my other Soundtrap account, so they can like communicate with each other. It could be a little more creative and collaborative, and it could still be a positive music making experience. So if you still have one day, like our school still has one day, hopefully. We don't know what's going to happen, but we might have one day in school tomorrow, and then we'll be out. Take a bunch of, quartet chamber music arrangements that you have, and then scan them so that you can pass them out to students using whatever LMS you use. And then multi-track with Soundtrap is an amazing way. And if you have Soundtrap EDU, which is their like enterprise level where teachers can manage students, then teachers can hop in on projects and view everything as well. You can always have a student, you can create the projects and then invite the students, and then you can see all of them, or students can create their own collaborations and then invite you. But hopefully that gives you an idea to kind of have some sort of positive music making experience. It's a little different, and look forward to making some of these lessons starting next week on Monday. I don't know what day it would be. What day is Monday? I look at my phone. This is horrible. Everything is just so crazy. I thought of hopping on here. So Monday is the 16th. So Monday, the 16th, I'll start some of these lessons. And then what I was thinking is, since they're going to be challenges, I'll post the challenge. A student can submit the challenges through whatever LMS you use as a teacher. And then if they want to tag the shed in some of their submissions, I can look through and find like the best submissions, and we can make it almost like a contest for the students to make it a little fun, a little more engaging when we're trying to deal with this very interesting educational situation that we're all in. So have a good night, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the shed.